How to fix if monitor is going black randomly. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open screensaver settings and make sure screensaver is none. After you've done that, simply click on apply and then press on OK. After you've done that, simply open change power settings on bottom. After you've done that, simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on change plan settings. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure turn off the display and put the computer to the sleep is more than hours. After that, simply click on save changes and you're good to go. This is how to fix if monitor is going black randomly. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.